Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of our vegetable design video. Here we make some beautiful designs and craft artwork using vegetables and fruits. So we start with orange. Do you know what an orange is? Which color does an orange have? You know that. So before moving on to next items, let us discuss about the nutritional values and health benefits of orange. So, orange is a good source of calcium, potassium, vitamin C, folate, fat, carbohydrates, and other nutrients. And orange is a major source of vitamin C. An orange can give 92% of the daily requirement of vitamin C. So, it is very good to eat orange or adding oranges to our diet. Then we can also discuss what the health benefits of oranges are. Oranges help in promoting heart health, and heart diseases is currently the world's most common cause of premature death, and this oranges can help promote it maintaining a heart health. Then diets high in citrus fruits may protect against chronic diseases. Citrus fruits means such fruits which are related to orange, like lemon and other lemon-like fruits. So it can reduce the risk of lung cancer, mouth cancer, stomach cancer, head and neck cancer. And it can also prevent anemia as it is vitamin C rich. It also helps support an immune system. Thus, orange is very helpful. So while taking an orange and having an orange, please remember these fun facts and nutritional facts, and let's enjoy the taste of orange. So let us make another delicious design. Here is the tomato. We're slicing it into thin pieces. Thus we have a flower-like design. Then we are peeling the skin of the tomato. So the skin of the tomato is being peeled out. Then we can roll it like a flower. So thus, from the skin of tomato we can make a rose flower. What a wonderful idea. And we have cucumber. Cucumber is also cut, and we have different flaps, and the middle flaps are rolled towards that middle, and thus we have a flower-like or leaf-like structure. Here we are using kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is arranged like a ring. Then we have musambi, and later we can add some beetroot or grape. Then in this item we use dragon fruit. Then dragon fruit are arranged like a sun. Then we take kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is sliced very thin. We arrange near to the dragon fruit pieces. Then we add tomato cut into half. Then we take orange. Orange can be sliced very thin. It can also be placed at the center. As we have a beautiful design here. Here we take an apple. Apple is also very healthy item, and using apple you're making a funny design. Look how beautiful and creative it is. Then we can go to our final item. Here also we have a watermelon. We cut it into small pieces and we make design.